Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload beautiful videos like this. Okay, today I'm going to be making a paste soap. It's a highly requested video as well. This can be called a papaya patty soap. A patty soap because it works really fast and it's not something that you might want to use for long term, but it gets the job done. Okay, so I will be showing you some of the soaps that I'm using to make this product. Okay, the first one here is the Hawaiian Silky Soap. This is a new brand that's beginning to make some buzz. It's not really new, but they're beginning to make some buzz these days, and I have tried out their soap and I liked it. And this is the pure herbal papaya soap as well. This is moringa papaya and arbutin soap, also an excellent soap for this product. I also have the K Brother soap and the Mekako soap. The Mekako soap is very important for reactions. I also have the Ashanti papaya soap, which is one of my best soaps. All these soap are all papaya based. I also have pure almond oil to help with moisturization and helping to fight reactions and all of that. I also have this whitening oil. You can use any whitening oil of your choice. I'm using this particular whitening oil for this mixture. Okay, so this particular oil contains alpha arbutin, it contains um titanium, it contains kojic acid, citric acid, and all those good things, and propylene glycol. So this will help the soup absorb into the skin. I have almond oil as well, which helps with reactions and brightening and moisturizing properties to this soap, because this soap will be very drying because it has a lot of extracts in it. Okay, I also have some skin free milk here that I will be using. Very little amount of skin free milk. We all know skin free milk is a concentrated serum, so we don't need too much in whatever it is we're using it for. Okay, I also have this idol shower cream. I'm going to be using this as a like a base. This has extract, it has honey extract, very amazing ingredients as well, which are very moisturizing. And because this is a very drying soup, we need something that's going to bring some moisture to this soup. So this is going to serve as a base and also giving us moisturizing properties to this soap. Also, I chose this color because it suits the papaya theme of this soap. Papaya or carrots, this will be suitable for that. Right now, I have my Hawaiian silky soap. This is a new soap, like I said, and I really like the ingredients in it. It has papaya, calamansi, and songi mushroom extracts in it. So it's amazing on the skin and it smells really nice. It's definitely a brightening soap. For the whitening, not too much, but it's definitely a brightening soap. And maybe prolonged use of this product is definitely going to whiten your skin. But like I said, papaya is an amazing skin lightening ingredient, and this soap is papaya based because papaya is excellent for every skin type. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in. I already chopped that in, so I'm just gonna put it into my mixing bowl. So my next soap is the Ashanti papaya soap. I have done a review about this soap. I really do like this soap. It has a very nice fragrance. It contains AHAs and BHAs in it, and it is a papaya extract soap. It's definitely amazing for the skin. I'm just gonna put that in as well. My next soap is the Mekako soap. This is an antibacterial soap, an antiseptic soap. This soap is from a French speaking country. It doesn't really have a lot of information, but it does say that it, it helps with reactions and hygiene and all of that. It's definitely very good for skin irritations and all of that, and also very good for acne. So this soap is definitely suitable for using on the face as well. So I'm just mixing all of that in. Make sure you're mixing in your ingredients every step of the way, whatever it is you're making. The next soap is the K Brother soap. This soap definitely doesn't need any introduction. It's the papaya soap and it's one of the best skin lightening soap out there in the market and excellent for the face. This is the Moringa Papaya and Arbutin soap. This soap is amazing for the skin. It costs 950 naira to get this soap, and as you can see, it has some moringa particles in it. Definitely great for acne and skin lightening. Next soap is the Pure Herbal Papaya Fruity Soap. This soap has been in market for as long as I can remember. Some people sell this soap as a face soap to customers. It is a glycerin based soap and it has some papaya cuts in it. It is a very beautiful soap and also amazing on the face. So this soap is going to be very good for both the body and the face. Make sure you mix all your ingredients in properly. Now I'm adding the Iodine shower cream. It has natural honey extract. All these soap have honey extracts in them, but they will still be a bit drying. So I wanted something that will act as a base to put the soap all together while still giving us that moisturizing benefits. The shower gels are supposed to be moisturizing on the skin. So that's why I'm putting some of that in there. I might need some as the video progresses, but right now that is all I'm going to put into the soap. Now you can use any shower gel of your choice to mix this soap, any whitening or lightening shower gel of your choice. I'm also putting in my serum. This is the time for you to put in your serum as well. I'm going to be putting the full bottle of the serum into the soap. Now I'm using my skin film milk. I'm just going to be using 10 ml of this skin film milk. You can use 10 to 15 ml of this. Very little of this does okay on the skin. You don't need too much. If you want maybe extra lightening, you can put in maybe half a bottle, but I do not encourage you to put an entire bottle into this mixture. Now putting in my pure almond oil. Pure almond oil is very good for skin lightening or skin brightening and also helps with irritations. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm just using 60 ml of this oil into this mixture. This oil can be used by various skin types, but you can also tailor your oil, whichever oil you find suitable. It will be carrot oil, papaya oil, or any oil of your choice you can put into that. You can also put 1 or 2 to 5 oils in this mixture if you want, okay, to give it some natural properties. I'm going to go melt this over heat. You can let this sit for days if you want, but I'm going to melt this over the heat. So now this is it melting, okay. I always melt with low heat, and this is it. I added a little bit more of shower gel into this mixture. So you want to make sure that all your soaps are properly melted, and this is how mine looks. And I had to remelt the soap because I wanted to put it into my container. So this is it. You make sure that it is like a liquid form. It's definitely going to cool down and turn into a soap. So you want to put this in a cup and not in a bottle. This is it in a container. As you can see, there's some steam. Make sure it's not very hot. It is just cool enough to pour it into whatever container you are putting it into. In this container, I can scoop and repackage and anything I like to do with the soap. It's safe here in this bucket and properly sealed. Now I put some of it into my little cup. This is how it looks when it's properly cooled. And this soap, you just take a little, apply on a wet body, and it's definitely going to get the job done for you. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.